I must be the problem. Something must be wrong with me. Somehow I'm not good enough, and like you try to like hustle for the person's love. Y'all, we have movement. 213.6. So I just got to my friend's storage center. I'm helping her get ready for one of her gigs today, so we're working hard. We are getting it going. She told me these letters were heavy and I thought she was lying, but y'all, this is my workout for the day. So we're starting this weight loss vlog off with a bang, baby, because it's heavy, okay? But I'm learning a lot because my photo business is like way easier. Oh, that's the I, girl. I keep doing that. Or that's the B.
No, this is the I.
No, the B lit up.
Oh.
And so we're getting ready to go to a 7-year-old birthday party, and so I'm helping her out today just because I thought it would be fun. It's really cool. It's always interesting to see how other people run their business and like what they do, you know, and everything, and like the logistics of it. So yeah, that's it. And we're spelling out Barbie, and we're making sure the letters work, which it does. And all of them work. We're gonna just do a double check to make sure we have the word spelled properly, because I'm like, you know when you're so nervous, you're like, am I spelling Barbie right? Is that how you spell love? And so that's what we're doing, y'all. But I'll hit y'all up once we get to the place to start dropping the stuff off. Oh, she rented a U-Haul. It's so cute. Like, she's really a businesswoman. Location that we're going to, or the area, it's super cute out here. It's very much giving like suburbs, family vibes. And we stopped just to get some Chick-fil-A, just because, you know, we wanted to get a quick meal. I'm so excited because I'm so proud of myself because I freaking got a this is all the sauces, yeah. I got y'all a fruit cup instead of french fries, which y'all, we just finished the setting up and it went so freaking well. I feel so good about it. It's our restaurant to have a little like dinner, snacks, I guess. Probably dinner because I can't eat after this probably. Y'all, the way this little bitty drink is so freaking strong. I'm like drinking it and I'm like, wait, this is a lot.
I don't see it as it exists. Okay.
And second of all, when I posted that video with my belly and then the back and the stretch marks, it's like, it doesn't get how you. I like don't care. 5,000 people, over 5,000 people have watched it. I think it has like 300 something comments. And
you have a weird type of confidence.
Yeah, I like don't care. I'm like, okay.
Where I'm like, no, it's terrible.
Who's gonna check me, boo? You know what? My last video I posted, I felt like that a little bit because I had where I'm doing yoga, and I was like, you are huge. Like,
yeah, it's just how
I was like, okay, you're huge. Like, I'm just, this is what I look like. I don't even know if I look like that, but if I do, then it's what I look like. Like, I have to just, what can I do about it? Besides, like, work to change it, but also love myself while I'm trying to change it. Because it's like, this is what I look like, you know. Okay, y'all, our food just came. I keep saying okay, y'all. I hate that. Everything I say okay, y'all. The food just came. And I got a Brussels sprout salad and then monkey bread, which is, this monkey bread is so good. I'm having a cheat day finally, and I'm finally getting like what I've been wanting, y'all. So I've had 3 drinks. I'm not gonna lie. I've had 3 drinks, and my friend ordered mac and cheese. It's like a trough of mac. It's crazy. It's a lot of mac and cheese.
It's so much.
And I'm definitely about to try some, but I'm feeling good. Like, I don't feel bad that I'm having a day where I indulge. I'm not counting calories today. This is my meal. I'm gonna fast. Y'all, my little cousin is in town. Say hey. And we found this bar that's like by my house. I've never been to it. It's super cute. And it has like axe, and they throw axes here. So we're just chilling tonight, me and my little cousin, and we ordered a warrior steak.
Warrior sex is the best.
Okay. And so we're just here chilling. It's an after hours too. Not me promoting, but I'm gonna link it in the description. Shot. Cheers. Day. I'm wildin'. She a little bit drunk. We feeling good. It's a good time. Hey y'all, so I just made it to my cousin's house. I'm hanging out at her house with all her little babies. She's gonna curse me out, but I'm still posting this on the internet. That's my cousin, and that's her twins. Don't mind the one playing with Clorox, and that's another baby, and this is her. No. I am at the office. Today's Monday, so the last time I vlogged was Sunday night. All the footage is super yellow, so I'm just gonna insert clips. It was Sunday. I went over to my cousin's house and played with her babies, and they're so adorable, and just little munchkins just running around playing all in the camera. So we had a good time. Super cute. I'm very proud because I just made myself breakfast tacos for breakfast and ate healthy and did not, you know, go too crazy. Because if y'all saw Saturday, y'all know I was wilding out. I was smoking hookah, I was drinking, like I was wilding. But today I stopped and got an egg McMuffin for breakfast, and I know it's not the best, but it's okay. I just told myself, you know, if I have this for breakfast, because all the grocery stores were closed, so I have this for breakfast, then I just have to eat healthy, then other, you know, the rest of the day, like really be mindful and just do like low-cal, high protein. Another thing, y'all, the way y'all are being so sweet in my comments about my videos, I'm like, oh, wow. It makes me so happy that I posted the video. I was kind of nervous and didn't know, like, should I share this on the internet? Because, you know, you have an image of what you want to project. But I'm so glad to see people just like... My Amazon packages. Now I'm about to head to the grocery store, y'all, because tonight I've decided that I really want a baked potato, like chopped beef baked potato. But instead of me going to buy one where I can't track the calories, I'm going to make one at home, and then I'll have leftover brisket for like lunch for the next few days. So that's where we're headed now. My brisket turned out so good. I already chopped it up a little bit. But like, look at this. It looks so good. Isn't that really good? I chopped up some because I'm about to put it in a potato. My dad did tell me though, he was like, you cut it too early. He was like, you should have waited 15 minutes to like let it cool down, I guess, and then you cut it. So that's my only mistake. Right now I'm waiting for my potatoes to finish. Here's my baked potato. It's about 600 calories, maybe 700, because the sauce is sugar free, the cheese is lower calorie, the potato is pretty small even though it looks massive, and then this is just 100 grams of brisket. I'm really happy with this. Like, this is a perfect cheat meal. This is the type of cheat meals that I want. I am headed to go get my eyebrows done. I get them threaded and tinted. Alright, y'all, I'm just about to have my little lunch for the day, and before I show y'all this, don't come for me because it's actually 320 calories. It just looks small. So I've got protein yogurt, and then I have a Think keto protein bar. I don't know why it's keto. I think I was like on a keto binge at that point. And so y'all, what I actually like to do is I like to like crunch this up and put it in the yogurt. So bomb. So today is Friday, aka weigh-in day, and normally I weigh on Saturdays, but I'm weighing early today because I'm headed to Kansas City for a bachelorette party. So before we get into it, I want to just go ahead and let y'all know that I am feeling a little bloated, so I don't expect it to be the best, but let's see. Okay, y'all know how I do. I'm stepping on. I have on my little weigh-in outfit that I've been wearing. I'm about to get on the scale. Trying to do this all for my battery dies. Okay, y'all, so this week I'm 213.8, but I'm not really too worried because honestly, I feel like I need to use the restroom, to be honest, which might be TMI, but I feel kind of like backed up, so I'm not sure what that's about. But yeah, technically I'm 213.8 this week on a Friday. If you enjoyed this video and you want to keep along with my journey, please make sure that you subscribe to the channel and give this video a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you look out for my Kansas City vlog on Wednesday. Thank y'all so much for watching, and I'll see y'all next time.
Question, tell me what you think about me. I buy my own diamonds and I buy my own rings. may ring your celly when I'm feeling lonely.